Managing tasks and activities in HubSpot CRM. Welcome to this video on managing tasks and activities in HubSpot CRM. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to efficiently manage your sales, marketing, and customer service tasks and activities within the HubSpot platform. To get started, let's take a look at the HubSpot CRM dashboard. As you can see, the dashboard provides a clear overview of your contacts, companies, and deals. From here, you can access various modules, including the Tasks and Activities module. In the Tasks and Activities module, you can view all your tasks and activities in one place. You can filter by type, status, and due date to quickly find the tasks you need to focus on. You can also use the search function to find specific tasks or activities. To create a new task or activity, simply click on the Create button and fill in the required information. You can choose from various task and activity types, such as meetings, emails, and phone calls. One of the key features of the Tasks and Activities module is the ability to assign tasks to team members. This allows you to delegate tasks and track progress in real time. You can also set reminders and notifications to ensure that tasks are completed on time. Another important feature is the ability to link tasks and activities to deals and contacts. This allows you to see how tasks and activities are related to specific deals and contacts, and to track the progress of those deals and contacts. To manage tasks and activities effectively, it's essential to regularly review and update your tasks and activities. This can be done by using the To-Do list feature, which allows you to view all your tasks and activities in one place. By following these steps and using the features of the Tasks and Activities module, you can efficiently manage your tasks and activities in HubSpot CRM. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on using HubSpot.